Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we are going to solve one of the most frequently asked SQL interview question. So basically, we have given one employee table, and from here, like we have to identify the second maximum salary or the employee which has the second maximum salary in the entire table. Okay. So how we can solve this one? So basically, there are multiple way to solve this particular question. Okay. So one thing, let me start with the one. So as ques as question asked, right? Like we have to identify the second maximum salary from the entire table. What we can do? We can so before that, let's just see our sample table. So we have a in this table, if you will observe, like we have a 43K, which is the maximum in this entire table, and this 25K is our second maximum salary, right? So basically, ultimately, we need a 25K in our result set. Fine. So what we can do, first of all, I will sort this table on the basis of salary in descending order. Okay. So let's do that first. So I am just sorting it on the using order by clause, order by salary, descending. Okay. So here, if you will see, this table is sorted, and the maximum one comes on a top, and the second maximum comes on a second, and so on, right? Now what we can do, we need only any one of the second maximum salary for now. Let's think of. Okay. So what we can just do, we will just skip the first row. Okay, which has the maximum one. So let's for the skipping, we have offset clause in our SQL server, and we can skip as many number of row. Okay. So as of now, we have to skip only one row. So I'm just skipping only offset one rows. Okay. So what it does, it will just skip this particular row, and it will gives us the entire table. Okay. So let's run it and see the output first. You can see the first row is skipped out. That is not part of in our table, in our result set now, right? After that, what we can do, just we will fetch the first row from this particular result set, right? Then it will ultimately it will gives us the second maximum salary or the employee which has the second maximum salary in the table, right? So for that one, just do this fetch next one rows only, right? So it will gives you only one record from the top. Okay. So here you can see it is giving us the correct answer. But the question here is, let's suppose if you will observe the table carefully, right? We have a two such employee which has the second maximum salary. And if we need both, how we can achieve this one? Actually, there is no way to identify, or let's suppose here in this case we have a two row or two employee. Let's suppose we have another employee for that for that also, like the salary is 25K, then how you will identify how many number of row we have to pick up, right? After offsetting. Another question could also be, let's suppose one, I mean, maximum salary is associated with the multiple employee, right? Then how you will identify like how many row we can skip, or I mean basically we can't identify. So for that one, this solution is correct only in case of the salary is indistinct in nature. Okay. But let's suppose if we have a duplicate in a salary, in that case, we can use a other solution like subquery or window function. So let's first see the subquery, then we will go over a window function. Okay. So on a subquery, what we will do, first of all, we'll identify the maximum salary from the table. Okay. And we'll discard that particular maximum salary. Okay. First of all, we will do that part. Okay. So let's run that one. So let's write the query for that. I'm just writing. So here I'm writing a sub query. So what I will do, I will identify all those salary, or I will identify all those employee which has the lesser salary value from the maximum salary in the entire table. Okay. So if you will see, it will gives you apart from 43K, it will gives you all the result, right? Here you can see we will get everything, and from here we have to identify the maximum salary. Maximum salary. So ultimately that will gives you the second maximum salary on in the entire table, right? So just do that one first. So here I'm just extracting the maximum salary, right? So it will gives you the correct answer as a 25K from the table. So this is nothing but our second maximum salary. But here the interviewer can ask, like, he doesn't need only the salary, he need also like the employee information, right? So for that one, what you can do, just you can do you can write a subquery on top of this, and you can just check with. So you can just write a subquery on top of this one, and we can apply a filter and will match the salary. Okay, with this one, like whatever we have received the salary from this from this query, right? We will just compare with that one. So like for whatever the employee has the salary as a 25K, we'll extract all the information, right? So now run this one, and it will give you gives you the all the employee information which has the 25K as a salary, right? So here you can see there are two employee which has the same salary, and these are the second maximum one, right? So I hope you get this one. But here if you can see, like for extracting these information, right, we are using a multiple subquery to get get this information. And eventually if you will write this kind of a query on a like very huge table, it I mean the performance will be degraded for sure. So what we can do, we can just write a window function, okay, and using that we'll try to achieve the same. Okay, so this is our table we have. Okay, we will fetch the same second maximum salary using our window using a window function. Okay, so here I will apply a dense rank window function. Okay, basically dense rank, what it does, wherever the duplicate value, right, for that one it gives the same rank. Okay, so let's see here, I'm just writing a query, then we'll see over the result set. So I'm just doing order by salary descending, right, and I'm giving the column name as a rank. So if you will run this one, here you can see Alex has the maximum salary, and for this one it gives a rank 1. Now here if you can see, as I in order Y, I have considered as a salary descending, right? So basically it will check the salary. So at any place the salary is getting duplicated, for that one it will gives us as the same rank. It will provide us the same rank, right? So here you can see for the Abhishek and Jack, both have a same salary, and it given us a rank as a 2, right? Now the question is, like, we want those employees which has second maximum salary in the table, right? So ultimately what it's giving us, right? So it's giving us like wherever the rank has as a value 2, that is basically our second maximum salary in our table, correct? So just extract. So now just extract the information, right, wherever the rank value equal to 2. Okay. So basically now it will gives you all the employee which has the second maximum salary. Here you can see, right? So basically we have started with the second maximum salary. Now if the interviewer will ask, right, instead of a second, if they will ask fifth maximum salary they want, seventh maximum salary they want, right? So just like this will be same when you are applying the filtration on a rank, right? Just change there. So let's suppose if I need fifth maximum salary from the table, right? So just I will give rank equal to 5 and it will gives you the fifth maximum salary from the table. So basically, ultimately, if I will say, it is nothing but it's the solution for your nth highest salary as well. So n could be any number, right? So now let's see here, if we need a fifth highest salary from the table. So if you will run this one, so we will get this one, right? Jayant. So ultimately, if you will see, 15.9K is actually the fifth highest salary in the table. Getting it? Here you can see be the fifth maximum highest salary from the table. So I hope this video helps you, and please make su- please make sure to like and subscribe this channel. We'll see you in next video. Thank you.